Hello, I am Piyush, an explorer at heart, a researcher in spirit, and someone who finds endless fascination in this universe and the incredible planet we live on. I started Yatravya because I love exploring, learning, and understanding, traveling, researching, and discovering details. That's my passion. Every place has a story, every landscape has a meaning, and I wanted a place where I could document all of it and grow my knowledge while sharing it with you. My vision is to build Yatravya into a full-scale production house, a place where filmmaking, exploration, research, and storytelling come together with quality and intention. This channel is the part of Yatravya Production, the parent company, the production house behind everything we create. Every video here follows the same discipline, the same standards, and the same passion that drive the entire company. On this channel, we explore meaningful locations, places with beauty, culture, silence, thrill, mystery, and character to present every destination clearly, professionally, and with a structure. I divide the videos into three categories. Type 1 videos are pure cinematic experiences, a smooth aerial shots, calm visuals, and a peaceful atmosphere. They show you the world from a perspective only the sky can reveal. Type 2 videos combine drone cinematics and on-ground exploration. Here I walk with you, talk to you and take you to each location step by step, from air to the earth, giving you the complete experience. Type 3 videos are my investigation based episodes. These are not made for every location. A Type 3 video only happens when a place truly needs a research, when there is a question, a claim, a mystery, or something unusual that deserves scientific checking. In these episodes, I analyze the location carefully, explore it deeply, and share a clear, honest conclusion. We also use scientific equipment and real-world instruments to conduct these investigations so that our findings are based on evidence, not belief, not assumption, and definitely not theatrics. I also create long-form documentaries and well-researched films about places, culture, and ideas. These are not live stream, but single-shot adventure videos, shot in one continuous take, capturing raw exploration, survival moments, and real-time experience without cuts. So this is what you can expect on this channel: cinematics, travel, research, investigation, documentaries, and real adventure.